Hey guys, welcome back to Mesha's Corner. Today I'm going to be making coconut, tequila, shrimp, and grits. This is my first time doing it this way, but it should be pretty interesting. So let's get started. Now I'm going to season up my shrimp. I'm going to start with like a little bit of oil, olive oil, whatever, whichever oil you want to use. Some ground ginger, maybe a teaspoon or so. This is about a half a pound of shrimp. I'm not making a lot because I'm making this for somebody, so I'm not doing a lot. And I'm also going to use some smoked paprika. Then you're going to put some black pepper, add your salt as needed. Now we're going to start on the grits. Now I'm going to start on my liquids for the grits. I'm going to use a cup of coconut water, and I'm also going to use coconut milk. That I'm definitely going to measure about 2 cups. I'm going to bring this to a boil, and then I'm going to start adding my grits. I'm using old-fashioned grits. I'm not using quick cooking grits, so I'm going to be cooking this grits for maybe 30 minutes or so. My milk is officially boiling, so now I'm going to put my grits in. I'm going to keep stirring this. And that was 1 cup of grits. I'm going to let this cook up for 30 minutes on low heat. And in the meantime, we're going to start on the shrimp. Don't forget to add your salt and pepper in here either. Now I'm going to stir off the shrimp. I'm starting with the shrimp because I wanted to get some nice color on it. So single file hot skillet. We're only going to do this for like a minute or so. I removed the shrimp from the pan after cooking it a minute on each side, and I'm going to add my sausage. The sausage I'm using is andouille sausage. You can use the sausage that you prefer. I'm just going to stir these off for a few minutes. And then I'm going to remove these, and then I'm going to add the vegetables. Now that my sausage and shrimp are done, the vegetables go down. I'm using 2 kinds of peppers and scallions. After these cook up, then I'm going to add the garlic. My vegetables have softened. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of chopped garlic. I'm going to saute these for a couple minutes, and then I'm going to add everything back into the pan. Make sure you season your vegetables also with salt and pepper. I'm going to season mine with pepper and maybe a little bit more of that ginger, and that'll be it. Now that everything's softened, I'm going to put my shrimp and sausage back in the pan. Yum, 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 yum. Sucks that I can't eat this, right? But I can still cook it and it'll still be okay. Now for the fun part. Well, hopefully it'll be the fun part. We'll see. That's the tequila that I'll be using. And I'm going to be putting 1 shot of tequila into this. Be careful when you add alcohol to your food. It can flare up. I have my heat on medium high, so hopefully it won't, but I'm prepared if it does. So just be cautious. 1 shot. Just like that. Well, I'm happy mine didn't flare up because I don't like that. But I'm going to cook this out for a couple of minutes. And we're almost there. Like, we're almost done. That wasn't too bad, was it? Oh my god, this just smells so good, y'all. But anyway, now that my alcohol has burnt out, now I'm going to put a couple of tablespoons of heavy cream. Mix this really, really well, and then we're done. Halfway through the cooking of my grits, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter, a tablespoon and a half of finely chopped jalapenos. If your grits are ever too thick, guys, just add some more milk, some more coconut milk, water, whatever you want to add in here to thin it out a little bit. These are going to cook for another 15 minutes, and then I'm going to add the cheese. And I'm using some Vermont white cheddar cheese for this. So my grits are done. They're really creamy, and that jalapeno really added like an extra punch to it. Turn your heat off because now we're going to add the cheese. I'm going to add about a 1/3 cup of white Vermont cheddar, and I'm going to mix this in. Now I'm going to plate this up. Now I'm going to put my grits in my little bowl. It's so creamy, and I'm somebody that don't even like grits. I think I had grits in the 7th grade. That was the first and last time I had it, and I didn't really like it at all, but these are really good. I think it was the coconut milk or something, but these are really, really good. these are my shrimp and grits. All I did was I put the grits in the bottom, the shrimp, sausage on top with some of the sauce. I did put some spring green onions all around and some more cheese all around. And yeah, it's really, really delicious. Leave comments, let me know what you think, what you want me to make. And I'll see you guys next time, which will be a video coming right after this one. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.